Welcome to Lakshman Biology. There is one very important notification to Karnataka science students, which is related to Karnataka CET 2021. Our Karnataka Examination Authority released one notification which is related to dates and information of Karnataka CET. According to this notice, our Karnataka government decided to conduct Karnataka CET exam on 28th August 2021 and 29th 8 2021. This Karnataka CET examination will be conducted to fill seats in engineering and technology, B.Pharm, Pharma D and veterinary courses, means BVSC. Veterinary course, animal doctor. If anyone want to become an animal doctor, they should do BVSC. Then BSc nursing, etc. Then the important dates for Karnataka CET 2021 examination is: registration and filling of application online for CET 2021 is start from 12 noon on 15th June 2021. Then the online application submission date start from 15th June 2021. From 15th June 2021 to 10th July 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. In between this time duration, you can apply for Karnataka CET 2021 examination. Then last date to pay the application fees is 13 July 2021. Then submission of special category original certificates on the specified dates as for schedule given in information bulletin is 14 July 2021 to 28th July 2021. Special categories means NCC, sports, etc. Then after submission of application, if you did any minor mistakes, you can correct or you can edit your application from 19th July 2021 11 am to 22nd 7th 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. Then after that, you can download hall tickets from 11 am on 13 August 2021. That are important dates which are related to Karnataka CET 2021. Then Karnataka CET 2021 exam is because to fill seats in engineering and BSc agriculture, BSc nursing, veterinary means BVSC, B.Pharm C and Pharma D, etc. Then if anyone want admission in medical means MBBS, or if anyone want admission in dental means the BDS. Then if anyone want to admission in Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy courses, this medical means MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy courses filled through the UG NEET 2021. You can't get the medical, dental, Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy seats through the Karnataka CET 2021. If you want to get seat in these courses, you should apply for UG NEET 2021 and you should qualify the NEET exam. Next, if anyone want admission in architecture course, then you should write another exam and you should qualify in that exam, that is NATA 2021. Then otherwise you can get architecture admission by JEE paper 2 examination during 2021. That is about the notice which is released by the Karnataka Examination Authority. If you want more details, you can click on this website. There you can get the more details. Follow the YouTube channel, that is Lakshman Biology. Next, I'll upload the model application form. Then after that, I'll upload the how to fill online application for Karnataka CET 2021. Thank you.